Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this headband. These are materials and measurements which I'll be using to create my headband. My headband is 8mm wide and the length is same as on this bigger fabric piece. Now I'm folding this bigger fabric piece in half and I'm pinning edges together and repeating the same on a smaller fabric piece. I will sew straight stitch there and there. My seam allowance is 5mm from the fabric edge. Next, I'll use this safety pin to turn these two pattern pieces to the right side. Next, I will iron these two pattern pieces flat. Here's my ironed pattern piece. Next, I will fold and sew this edge and other edge. So basically I'm folding that edge to the wrong side where the seam is and I'm sewing that down like that, and I'm repeating the same on other side. And I will do the same on a smaller pattern piece, only on one edge. I will leave open other edge. Next, I'll glue this pattern piece on a headband using glue gun. Next, I'm applying hot glue on that headband, like that. And then I'm placing wrong side of this pattern piece, center on that glue. And I'm pressing it quite hard so it sticks properly. And then I'm repeating same process till my bigger pattern piece is glued on a headband. This is how it looks after I glued that bigger pattern on a headband. My headband is really flexible, which is really good, so it doesn't hurt my head when it's on. Next, I will glue corners to the headband. So I'm applying hot glue to the wrong side and I'm folding these corners to the wrong side, and I'm gluing those two corners together, adding a bit more glue so the corners are glued properly, and this is how it looks. And I'll repeat same on other side. Next, I'll attach a smaller pattern on a center top. I'm applying hot glue on a center top. Then I'm creating a box pleat, so basically I'm folding the edge to the wrong side and then flipping over to the top and repeating same on other side. I'm folding to the wrong side that edge and then flipping over to the right side, so it looks like that, like a block box pleat. And then I will glue this smaller pattern piece on the wrong side of the headband there. I'm applying hot glue there, and I'm applying a wrong side of this smaller pattern piece on the wrong side of the headband, and I'm wrapping that smaller pattern piece all around the headband center like that. Next, I'm applying hot glue on a small pattern piece edge seam there, and I'm gluing that edge down on the wrong side. So it looks like that. Nice and neat finish, and my headband is finished. If you have any questions how I made this headband, please do comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.